Hi, I'm Scarlet. Hello and welcome to the Scarletlolo-Cooking Show.
The Scarletlolo-Cooking Show.
Lolo is about low sugar, low salt and just a little bit of fat. Expect simple, healthy vegetarian food with the occasional guest cook for fish, and we'll also have some naughty treats. Every week I share one of my favorite recipes with you to help you take control of your own health by using principles that are natural, environmentally respectful and sustainable. And all of that whilst enjoying wonderful meals. I'm not here to prescribe what you should do, but just to share what makes me feel good, retain health and stay in tune with nature. There's a lot of cooking going on in the world, and I've collected many favorite recipes over the years from traveling and living in other countries that I've then developed. And I also share some really old heritage recipes that deserve rediscovering.